Okay, I'm Victor, and the digital marketer as well as the website designer for Mr. Data Business School. It's been a wonderful time working with Mr. Data Business School all across the several country and branches, Netherlands and UK, US, and all that. I've been responsible for the growth strategy in terms of social media campaign, website design, Google Ads promotion, and all that is involved around business development of Mr. Data. I'm so excited to be part of this wonderful organization, and it's really a great pleasure to keep on working together. So, thank you.
My name is Mondi Holte. I'm a founder of Mr. Data. We are a big data university and we deliver big data consulting. I have more than 7 years experience in the business intelligence and big data industry. And now I teach people how to manage big data, how to use business intelligence tools. Business intelligence is all about performance management, about reporting, about dashboards. So with the dashboards and reports, managers and organizations can see how the organization performs, that help them to make better decisions. In 50 days, they will learn working with an enterprise resource system, how to work with business intelligence tools, data warehousing, how to create a business intelligence strategy, how to be a business intelligence consultant, data visualization, Scrum, how to create a business intelligence competency center, web analytics, how to work with Google Analytics, how to work with SAP Business Objects, and how to work with Tableau systems. You can follow a full-time program and a part-time program. The full-time program is 3 days a week, and 2 days a week they can study at home. They can prepare, do some homework, and prepare for the testing. We have also a part-time program. They can go to the university on the evening 2 times in a week, and 1 time in a month they can go to the university on Saturday. Why should they apply for this course? Because they would like to work in the field of big data. Maybe they would like to be a data scientist. Also because they would like to have a job, a better future. There are a lot of jobs. Data science industry is only growing. We have 2 levels, level 1 and level 2. And in level 1 you have no job guarantee, and if you pass all the tests in level 1, you go to level 2, and in level 2 we deliver a job guarantee. And that means if you follow all the courses and if you pass all the exams, then you go to work at our company. Because we have a university and we have a consulting department, and there we help people at the client to work for our clients. If people would like to have more information about our program, that's what they can do is go to our website and apply, and we call you back as soon as possible.